Hello Salmedu, welcome back to India African. Today we are going to make a large clam suka. We are cooking with half seashells in it, and make sure you clean it really nice. We have kept these seashells for about 1 hour in hot water. That will help to open the seashells easily, and if there is any mud inside the shells, it will come out automatically. So let's get into the first process. Take about 9 to 10 red chilies, 4 to 5 garlic slices, half teaspoon mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds 1/4 teaspoon, cumin seeds about 2 tablespoons, 1 fistful of coriander seeds, ajwain seeds about 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper about 10 to 15, and about 10 curry leaves. Now let's heat up a pan and pour about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other cooking oil. Let's fry the red chilies first. Now add all the spices I showed you. Stir about 2 minutes, and at the end add curry leaves and stir for about a minute. Once it is done, transfer it to a plate and let it cool down. Now in the same pan, let's fry 1 grated coconut. Also add about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry it and keep it aside. Fried spices are cooling down. Transfer it to a blender jar along with the 4 slices of garlic. Blend it and keep it aside. While we get into the second process, we need 2 onions finely chopped, 2 tomatoes, 1 large garlic crushed. Take same amount of ginger, 10 curry leaves. There are about 100 large clams. Let's do this. Use about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And 1 tablespoon of ghee. Fry the mustard seeds first. Add garlic, ginger. Give them a deep fry. Add onions and fry for about 2 minutes. Add curry leaves. Add salt as per your taste. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, tomato, and keep on stirring. You can add about 100 ml water if needed. It's time to add the clams. Make sure you drain all the water out of it and add them. Mix them slowly so that the meat won't come out of the shells. cover it with the lid and cook for about 10 minutes at first. Now add the blended masala. Mix it carefully. Cook for about another 5-6 minutes and add the fried coconut mixture. Check the salt and the spicy level and adjust as per your need. Cook another 2-3 minutes and it should be done. The delicious Mangalorean Maruvai Sukka is now ready. Garnish with some coriander leaves and it's ready to serve. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit that like button below, and if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Do try this famous South Indian recipe and let me know how is it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.